Hey guys, all things Apple here, and I have the iPhone 4, and yeah, I'm going to not actually do it, because I'm recording for my movie in this video. I'm recording for my movie in this video, so yeah, it's not really worth it taking it apart, because I probably won't be done in time. I only have 15 minutes in each video, but I only choose to use 15 minutes in each video. Because I like to keep my video, because I like to have my videos nice and short. Well, I like to have my videos less than 20 minutes, well, less, what, strict, very, 1 hour later, very, so much later. The old narrator got tired of waiting and I had to hire a new one later. And yeah, so we've already wasted nearly 1.5 of those minutes already. So yeah, I only decided to use 50 minutes, and yeah, I'm eating a sweet right now. How very unprofessional. But I don't care though. Well, yeah, I probably will try not to do that. I needed a sweet to get myself ready to go. To record this video a second time. I deleted the videos that I used to create the last attempt. So I don't actually have any videos of me opening this phone up. But I did do it today. I didn't actually delete them. I didn't actually delete them like I just said. I completely lied about that. But yeah. That's what I did. I opened the phone up. But I didn't actually replace the back. I just took this one off, took it out of the shop for a bit. Then I had to bring it back in. And I put it back on the phone and put those screws back in. Obviously you have to take those screws out to even get the back off. So yeah, basically you take those screws out, you slide the back up, you take it off, you set it down to the side, and then you put the new one on. You put your new one on, you put the screws back in, holding the back down, and then you screw them back in. Then you've done it. And I did not actually turn this phone off completely and utterly when I did the repair / not repair. When I just took the back off and put it back on again to show you actually how to do it. I only took the back off it in the first place to show you how to do it. But yeah. This is my personal phone. Hence there being 12 outstanding. Well, not really outstanding, hence there being 12 messages, notifications, and yeah, I'm not going to show you what they are, obviously, because that's personal use, because this is my phone, the phone that I use my own personal use. It's not like, well actually, I don't actually have a phone I don't use for my own personal use other than the iPhone SE I'm using to record. And I can't show you that because obviously I'm using it to record. And that is actually where I got this piece of wood from. That shelf unit thing. I will be putting it back after I've done the video. But yeah. Don't write loads of hate. Don't write loads of hate in the comments for me not actually doing the repair on this. I could have actually already done it by now. Actually, the real reason why I didn't do it is because I would have... Where is it? Where's my screwdriver gone? There it is. I would have been using this screwdriver to do it. And this screwdriver does work with those pentalobe screws, even though it's a crosshead, even though it's a Phillips crosshead. It's not the right screw, but you can remove pentalobe screws with it. But the best screw to use to remove pentalobe screws is obviously a pentalobe screwdriver. Now, yeah. I didn't want to take the screws out again because it takes way too long. It takes way too long. And they're indecipherably small. And easy to lose. So that's all we've got time for in this video, so peace. This is All Things Apple, and you have been watching All Things Apple. And this is All Things Apple, signing off.